I ate too much fiber and now my stomach is aching. You all, today's a work day. As you can see from the reflection, I'll probably close this for HIPAA purposes. But today's a work day. I had a client that canceled, so I have time to answer this question. My stomach is killing me. Way too much fiber. You know when you eat too much fiber and then like your stomach kind of aches a little bit because your body's trying to get used to all the fiber that you're consuming? I have been on a personal goal this year to increase my fiber intake. But anyway, I digress. So this person wants to know, does a lack of fluid really elevate A1C? Friend, yes, it does, and it can. All right, so let's get into it, right? So let's first start. I need to slow down. Let's first start talking about what is the A1C. So the A1C, or the hemoglobin A1C, is basically a 3 to 6 month indicator. And it's an inexpensive blood test that doctors use to determine how well you've been managing your blood sugars over 3 to 6 months. So the reason why it's 3 to 6 months is because they're looking at your red blood cells. Your red blood cells actually hold onto glucose, aka sugar. And we have to remember, our red blood cells are coursing through our veins from the top of our heads to the soles of our feet. So if you are dehydrated, that means the concentration of sugar in your blood becomes thicker, fuller, plentiful, beefier. You get where I'm going with all these synonyms, right? So if you are dehydrated or have a lack of fluid intake, then that means the concentration of sugar in your blood is going to be more. And this can definitely impact your A1C. A lot of nuance that needs to be taken into consideration, because I definitely see some people thinking that they can just go ahead and drink a gallon of water and everything's going to be okay. But this is not necessarily the case. The more you know, the better. And number two, even if you are drinking this copious amount of water, but you haven't made any changes to your diet and or lifestyle, then that's going to defeat the purpose. So as usual, I always recommend that you work with a registered dietitian nutritionist to find out what specifically is going on with you.